Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. I'm Patrice Clark, and today we look at creating an API endpoint for dynamic fields in Desk Director forms. I'll be joined by Ryan Kendrick, who will guide you through the details. Let's get started. Over to you, Ryan.
Thank you, Patrice. Hi, I'm Ryan. Thanks for joining me. Let's dive right in. Before you get underway, ensure you have a standard Power Automate license, the source flow template, and Excel sheet. Once that is sorted, upload the Excel file into a document library in a supported location such as OneDrive for Business, SharePoint sites, or Office 365 groups, and create an Excel online business connection in Power Automate. Now, time to import the flow. Upload the template zip file and map the required connections. Note that the import will fail due to pointing to a non-existent file, but click Save as New Flow to continue. In the Flow Editor, find the List Flows present in a table action and navigate to the table called Dates Table. Save this and copy the HTTP trigger endpoint URL before finishing here. Lastly, remember to turn on the flow. Time to add a dynamic field to a form. In a new or existing form, create a new dynamic field. Change the HTTP method to POST. Paste the HTTP trigger endpoint from the previous step, and remember to remove the / first. Click Save before exiting. The next step is to create a request type. Open the admin portal, create a new request type, and add the form. Be sure to enable the request type before saving. On to the final step, testing the dynamic field. From within the admin portal, impersonate a contact and create a new ticket using the new request type. In the form, select the dynamic field you created. It should display the top 30 dates. Additionally, try searching for a specific date or day to confirm the field is working correctly. Well, that's all there is to it. Time to hand back to Patrice, who will wrap up for us today.
That's all for today's 1 Minute Wednesday. Creating an API endpoint is quick and easy, and it lets you take full advantage of dynamic fields in Desk Director forms. Thanks for watching.